Sydney if this is the first time seeing me, and I love to do all kinds of decorating videos here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated this little nook area for my daughter's room. My husband actually put this clothing rack together for me, and it turned out beautiful. I actually found one on Etsy, and it was $150, but I didn't want to spend that kind of money on it, so I went ahead and asked my husband, can you build this for me? And he said, yeah, no problem. It would actually be pretty simple for him though, because he is familiar with like woodworking and all of that. So I went ahead and purchased the wood from Home Depot, and it cost me about $60. But if you would like to see how my husband put this little rack together and how I decorated everything, then please continue to watch. So the day my husband put this together, he actually just did it all inside. It was snowing this day, so we went ahead and just used a handsaw to keep it more simple. I just showed him the picture of what I wanted. He went to Home Depot and picked out all the pieces of wood. I'm going to be leaving all the wood that we use for it down below, as well as a write-up of how he put it all together. But in this video, I'm just going to be showing you a fast version of how he put it all together. He went ahead and made one of the house forms, and then from there made another one to match. It only took him about an hour and a half to 2 hours to put it together. If you would really like one of these but don't want to take the time to put it together, I'll leave down in the description box a couple of links to some that look very similar to this.
I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two.
So I really liked how the Etsy clothing rack looked with the white on the sides and the natural wood for the middle, so that's what I went ahead and did here. I just used a tiny brush to paint around the rod to keep it that pretty wood color.
It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did.
Now for these floral decals, I actually purchased these off of Amazon, and they were only $90, but they're the exact same ones as I got from Wayfair that are $130. The only difference is there are a few less decals for this one, but the quality was perfect. These decals are so easy to take on and off, and I highly recommend them if you love floral for your little one. I also kept looking to the side here because I wanted to mimic the flowers that are on my daughter's other wall. I also replaced a decal that my daughter pulled off here on her crib wall. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with. I didn't want to use the really large pink one. I already felt like this was more than enough. So I kind of like how it goes up onto the other wall. I do really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put my daughter's clothes on here. I am going to be changing out some of these books up here that will look really cute. I'm doing summer themed bookshelves for both sides of her room here. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting her clothes up here and see how it all looks together. Alright guys, so I wanted to give you just a little tour of this little side of my daughter's room. So this rug is actually from Marshall's, this round one, and this larger one here, this one's from Amazon. Now I have a video all about this dollhouse. It's a Melissa and Doug fold and go dollhouse, but I revamped it, painted it and everything, and gave it to my daughter for Christmas this year. So if you guys are interested in this dollhouse, I'll leave a link below for you on how I redid that. Now this clothing rack turned out perfect. So the one that I was looking at online, I may have mentioned, was $140, $150, and this only cost me $60 in wood. And my husband did it for me, so that was super inexpensive, and I just love, love, love how it turned out. I thought it would be fun to show and display some of her dresses or just seasonal outfits in the future. But it's really cute because it's the perfect height for my daughter. She loves to go up and take her clothes down, and it was just really cute. She picked up this white one today and said, "Look, I picked this out." It was really sweet. Now this basket right here, that's from Walmart. And I just put some of my daughter's Cuddle and Kind dolls in there. What I love most about the Cuddle and Kind dolls is that every doll that you purchase provides 10 meals for children in need. So I love that it gives back for each doll. I thought it'd be pretty just to put some of my daughter's floral dresses up here, this white one, and then this was my daughter's Easter dress this year. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And since it is so pretty, why not use it for decoration too? Now up here are two shelves I found from Amazon. They also match these shelves shelves over here, which I will get to. All of these books here are from Amazon. I get all my books from there. I have The Honeybee up here next to We Are the Gardeners, and I have these little DIY mini hunter boots up there. And then here I have this Flora and the Flamingo. I just got this book as well as this really cute swan Cuddle and Kind doll. I thought these looked so perfect together on this shelf. Now, as I may have mentioned, these floral decals, these ones are actually from Amazon, and the ones over here are actually from Wayfair. They are pretty much the exact same, but these ones are a little bit more expensive, just I think by $30. And I think it comes with a little bit extra. I noticed I didn't have quite as much in this package, but it's the exact same. And there's also a bunch of decals on Amazon that are super cheap, like $10 to $30. Don't get those because those ones are super cheap. They don't look good either. So if you're gonna get these, I suggest getting the actual nice ones. So yeah, these ones were $90, which was better than the $130 from Wayfair. But I'll leave those linked below if you are interested. These decals stick on and off so easily. They don't damage your wall at all. I was able to attach them and then move them around a bunch to make them look the way I wanted. Over here, I recently got these curtains for my daughter's room, and they're from Amazon. I love that they're the blackout curtains with the shears in front of them. They're just super pretty. Now over here I have this peg rail on the wall. This is what actually gave me the idea for this clothing rack. I wanted to be able to keep it kind of similar. I didn't want it to be the exact same. I didn't want another peg rail, but I wanted to kind of stick with the same theme. I bought this peg rail, I think, at a restore, but you can find these anywhere. You can find them at Walmart. But on here, I just hung this little romper from Amazon, as well as this little faux camera on top of it. Really quick before I move on, everything here is from Amazon, except for the Cuddle and Kind doll is from Cuddle and Kind, but you can sometimes get them off of Amazon, but I purchased the Cuddle and Kind from the actual website. And then the garland here is actually from Hobby Lobby. But everything else, the books, the puzzle, the hat, everything is from Amazon. Now I just thought this little beach hat and bag were so cute. This hat actually has a little strap on it too, so it'll stay on your toddler's head. I love that. And then also, to go with this mermaid theme, I found this really pretty mermaid swimsuit. Up here I have this mermaid book called Pearl Mermaid School. This one's super cute. I love that one. I also have this little digital camera my daughter got for her birthday. I had it just kind of propped up here. I was actually looking through the pictures on here just yesterday, and I was laughing so hard at some of the pictures my daughter and my son have taken on those. I ended up finding one of the larger sizes of this doll. They were out of the smaller size, and I'm really glad I got the big one because it looks really cute here. Now I didn't plan for this to match so well, but if you look at the pom-poms on this hat, it matches the colors in this Cuddle and Kind doll perfectly. So I do love how that ties in so well. And up here I have How to Catch a Mermaid and then this Aqualicious book in the back. I really love the Aqualicious. So of all these books, I like that one and I like the Mermaid School one. So here's a little overview of this side of my daughter's room. It's really busy, but I feel like for a little girl's room, it's really fun and it's good for them to have lots of color. I just love how this turned out.
Look out, here she comes.
Alright, so that is everything for my daughter's clothing rack and how I decorated this side of my daughter's room. I hope that you guys got some ideas while watching. If you did, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for many more decorating videos and DIY videos from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love